Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.